Hi, baby. Hi, Cherry. This is my Cherry, kid Tibby. It's an old kid, but it's a gorgeous kid by Donna Rupert. I loved her reborning so much. I was keeping her just for me, for my eyes only, just like I have Angelina, but she found a mommy that I couldn't resist not giving her to her because she's something else. She's the best mommy ever, and she adores her. And Cherry will have company, you know. She will have Harper Kid, and she will have, wow, I forgot the name of the kid, but I remember the doll, Sophia. Sophia is the doll's name. You know, the one that is standing on her own feet, just like her. She's a big one. She's a big girl. She's a big girl, yes, sir. She's 2 years old. She's a lovely toddler. I will miss her, but I know she's in very good hands with a loving mother, sweet and beautiful, just like her. She looks like her. She's lovely. Both of them are lovely. Well, okay. I'm having a little photo shoot of her. Look at her legs, knees, details. So beautiful. Sophia, she wears 23 number shoe, just like Angelina. Did you believe it? Angelina is about 4 years old, and they wear the same shoe. And I tell you, her head, Tibby's head, is much bigger than Angelina's. It's okay. They are both very beautiful. I like so much reborning toddlers. Yes. It's a little difficult with the hair, but I love toddlers so much. And newborns and preemies, I love everything. Well, bye-bye for now. And another photo shoot is going to come. Good night.